is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude.
Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, every day you hit the like and subscribe. You follow this crazy man from Wall Street. Technical analysis, crypto news. And unfortunately, I can't do a video immediately all the time, but I can try as quickly as I can to get your attention, to get to you. It's why you hit the like, bell, all notification, and subscribe. Obviously, over 21 minutes ago, this has been up here for about 5, so about 25, almost to a half hour ago, I said this, and we're going to have to probably watch a commercial. Oh, no. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, you just watch the video, hit the like and subscribe, baby. Well, here we are, learning a little bit about a descending triangle pattern. And what happens? Well, usually it's a bearish problem. Oh, snap. So currently, if we analyze Bitcoin, oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. Wall Street Pete. So the point is, obviously, I try to make crypto fun. Follow me. You need to follow me on Instagram. You obviously need to hit the bell notification so you know when the joke, trying to make it fun, becomes a reality, right? And as it's becoming a reality currently right now. Into this descending triangle pattern is what it is. It's figured to be out exactly as what's happening. We're getting the break to the downside. What's going to happen now? Are we going to hold this to the bottom is obviously the question that needs to be answered. Where is the support level? If we see here, we've had wicks that finished below here. Obviously, anything lower than this line I have on the crosshairs, or the finger that I have now, anything below this line is a liquidity grab. So I don't know if you understand what a liquidity grab, but this is a liquidity grab. That line right there, liquidity grab. Line right here, liquidity grab. What it means is that the line, the candle, see how you got a fat candle? The candle didn't finish at that area. It started bouncing through. That was just the worst case price before getting ready to close, and it had a nice uptick. So what we're looking to do here, and we got to get the big picture out and show you what's happening on this chart, get some indicators out, but as you can see currently, testing resistance, right, as we talked about each time. We're testing this slope. Falling wedge could have been, now turning obviously into the short-term time frame from, if you pay money, I think it's, I don't know what it is, but you got to pay to do that, to get rid of the ads. August 15th, so about the middle of August of the summer here, if you can see it started building this, and then all of a sudden coming into September, from this date right here, I would clearly say this is a descending triangle pattern, and it has confirmed, ladies and gentlemen. So please, if you will, I have to fight the YouTube algorithm. It's awful. The YouTube algorithm sucks for me. I need those likes. I need the comments. Do the best you can. I appreciate it. We got rid of all the bots. So what's going to happen is this content is real as hell, and because I got rid of most of the bots and I banned them all off my channel, it helps them. It helps us. I don't want it hurting you to help me. So that's how I am. So this channel's going to be hurting a little bit lately. If you've noticed, we have not got subscribers gone up because we got rid of all the bots. And what they do is try to scam you and give you a bullshit story. And I'm tired of that. So follow in to hear what's going on. And please hit the like and subscribe. Share with a friend if you think that this is very helpful, as to many of you it has been. One should understand as we get into here, this is the finishing of the descending triangle pattern. I'm a little concerned now because if it falls down, we have prices all the way to here. We're talking about these prices, and we already have talked about it many times. I'll give you ranges of where we're going to go, stop, and keep going. But these are the three, and I always do this, and I don't know why it's in levels of 3. Maybe it's because of the pattern, the head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? We talked about this all the time on this channel. You learn about these things. RSI indicator, we're just doing a quick update, so I want you to understand where I think we may be done falling. So RSI level on the 4 hourly, we're going to stick with this because it's a very good, important trading tool I like. I like the 4 hourly big time. That's my personal opinion. Some people can agree, and others may say, there's much more, 5 minutes. But if you see what's going on right here, could fall a little bit more as you're seeing here, and then we're going to keep going. So I want to see what happens here. I think it's a big dump before a pump, and that's currently what I believe will happen. So I may change that to there. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, as you can see here from the September time frame, we're getting a clear descending triangle pattern. And as we watched on the video, descending triangle pattern, here it is clear as day, right? We all can agree that is what a descending triangle pattern looks like. So I'm Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I don't basically do financial advice. I'm just a gentleman that is twice as nice. Pay attention to what is happening here on this candle, what is happening on this pattern. It's very important. It's no joke. What I believe will happen, though, is we do break out after that, as some other things are having a breakout. They're doing things in a different time frame. And let me show you Jasmy price, for example. Jasmy. Jasmy's been getting its balls kicked in, okay? I had a sell stop here at the 4.4. Why? Because it would create an inverted head and shoulders, and then I would buy lower back here for a little cheaper and just retain more, accumulate more to be precise. What I think is happening here, and this just could be here into the play here, finally getting some momentum. We'll see if the right shoulder is going to make. What'll happen is if the right shoulder's coming through, you'll get something like this. So let's see, somewhere up to here, which would then give me to 48. This is just Jasmy. I'm just going off real quick. I like to give examples of altcoins, what's happening, as you can see here, right? Because it's doing the opposite of Bitcoin. Currently, we could see a peak going up to Jasmy. If we fall around in this magnitude, and this is exactly what I was showing you here, what could happen. So pay attention, left shoulder here, head inverted and coming up, and then we might develop that. So let's see if that happens on the 4 hourly for Jasmy. Very interesting to see that, but as you can see, the downward slope is obviously still bearish. So until we flip that momentum, we're not going to see anything special. Polkadot. I bought some Polkadot at $6. Obviously, you could see dollar cost averaging method is very important because as of right now, we're getting a big kick to the downside. So it's really important to pay attention. It's really important more to get this bounce. As you can see what's happening. Now we'll flip-flop, right? Let's get to the daily, as it may look disgusting. But it's doing a little something different than the rest of the market, as Jasmy was, right? As you can see, descending triangle pattern may not break out here, so don't expect it to break out. Most likely going to come down a little more. So 18.5. If we don't bounce off to 18.5, we will get a result all the way down to the bottom. I'm not happy about this, so please hit the like and subscribe. Share with a friend if this helps you. If you want to take a long position in the 18.7, 18.5 is something I'm looking to maybe get into. But we're almost at 18.7 now. So with this magnitude down and the strength, looking at the daily, I still have 11 hours. I still got a whole half a day to go before this candle can keep just falling. And if you look here, we have been falling. Analyze this for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So Bitcoin's falling for 4 days in a row. What do I look for? I look for that pattern to stop. I'm going to look for it to stop here, basically give me a 2 green candle in a row, and then I will know that we're ready to go back. Jay Creek here, just missed the Jasmy talk, and because I love you so much from like another brother type feeling, I was just telling everybody right here, I had a sell stop for Jasmy. I told you in the last order, make sure if it broke this trend. See the resistance here? There's a reason why I wrote that. There's your sell stop, and I have it here. As you can see, I wrote it there for you in the last video. Obviously, it's working, right? The sell stop at 4.4, if we broke through, you would see a big wick candle coming down and create an inverted head. That's exactly what we did, just to give you an up gain. Come back to retest this 4.4. You'll get excited, and then it'll go back down again. Everyone will get miserable, but what will happen, it'll be a big pump next, because what will happen is the whales are going to shake you out. It's a manipulation to the downside. It's nothing new. So currently right now, total crypto market cap, 900 billion. APTOS down 4%. If you missed the APTOS video, we talked about it yesterday. I thought it was very important. APTOS is looking to heat up in the crypto market. It's one of the top tier A-class assets already. And trading all the way into the 50, top 50, I think it's 52. Yep, there it is. 52 APTOS, $7.15 at a discount. Down 15% currently in the last week. I don't like to buy things when they're going up. That's my personal thing. That's one of my strategies. This is not financial advice, of course, but you already know that. People get tired of hearing this shit. Thank you, brother. I do appreciate the praise. We got to watch APTOS. It's really important, man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very important to see what this is doing. As I said from the APTOS chart, if you missed it yesterday, and maybe that's why I'm amazing. I wish I had myself, someone currently like me, to do this stuff for me when I was new or just getting into the crypto and didn't want to be bothered with technical analysis, because I'll tell you right now, if you don't know it, you don't want to learn it. The APTOS, I was saying, currently, if this kept going on this trend, you would find, and this is the 4 hourly, we couldn't find nothing because we didn't have really much technical analysis, but I said we would break out of this, and we did. We broke out of this. It was a falling wedge. Topped out, past the 751. You could have sold out if you were able to. This is overnight from yesterday's video. This is APTOS. I'm probably going to head out. But watch what's going on with the market. As you can see, double top pattern formation, even on the hourly. It's very, very bearish. I am not a fan of that. Not a fan at all. Let's see what it's doing currently, because I know. Oh, shoot. I was right at it. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. So currently right now, $7.16, down 1.5% in the last 24 hours. Looking for the total volume. As you can see right now, the total volume, we are down. Wow. Okay, so this is what's going to happen here. 929 million. Currently crypto market cap for the APTOS. And we're about half that in volume, or just perhaps 60% of that in volume, which is very good. I do like this. We're going to get a crash. We're going to get it back up. So I'm going to put this in the title, because what I'm going to do for you, and we're going to erase all this garbage, because that's what it seems to look like right now. If we can break above, and this is the APTOS because we talked about it yesterday, it's really important. If we break above the 760 price, this is a little special, so enjoy this at the end if you're getting a little tidbit here. I'm going to put this into the content and title and say APTOS at the end, because I think this is very important. What's happening is we built up, we broke out, right? This is obviously the launch date, which was the 17th, I believe, exactly. Yeah, 17th. So the launch date of this was the 17th. People were excited, got their balls kicked in straight to be forward with you, and that's, no one's going to be more forward than Wall Street Pete and the potty mouth he has. I had a CDL too, believe it or not, so it can make a lot of sense to you now. Currently $6.80 was support for this current fall at this price. We're analyzing. What's happening here is I'm finding myself not really going down anywhere. It's not really considered a descending triangle pattern when it's continuing to create double tops. Now, if we continue to get this, and this is a rejected M, I'm going to find myself fighting across the 760 and blowing through, and we're going to build support here. If we build support at the 760, this thing's going off like a roller coaster ride. And as you already know, if you pay attention, there's an hourly there. Let's get to the 4-hourly, see if there's anything that may help me out. I don't even have any indicators up, and I do have a few candles up here. The support resistance slip is $7.80. So there's a chance you could find yourself fighting and struggling at $7.86. Somewhere $7.80. Pay attention to it. That's what I would do. If you're interested in that sort of thing, there could be a fall here coming in. Indicators are hard to follow through when you don't have much history on a particular asset. So here's the hourly candle for it. And maybe we'll see if we can break it down the best we can. But that's all I got is upward, down, up and down. And then perhaps maybe, like I said, a continued fall until we hit down here and then a pop-up. So it is looking like we are going to hit some bottom there. Get rid of this mess so I can show you. And then we're going to close the chat and end this. But this is exactly what I think may be happening. Right here, we're going to continue to fall. We're going to close this candle, and this is an hourly pumping up. It's an hourly pumping up, and currently right now, as you can see, resistance at this price, exactly 750. If you could see it on the EMA, we're having trouble hitting the EMA exponential moving average. This is an update. This is why I use these tools on the hourly. It's short term. You're going to find yourself, if you do break out at the 751, then you will be able to get access to that 780-ish price. So pay attention to that. I think that's important. Gary, good morning to you. We're just breaking down APTOS. We talked about a little bit of Jasmy. We talked a little bit about Bitcoin, and pretty much about all we're getting to. So between that, APTOS, I think it's a good buy. Just watch here. Make sure we don't fall below. Where would I put my sell stop at? Obviously, looking at this hourly, and it's so strong at the $7. If we break or fall below the $7, you must put a sell stop or get ready to buy that. Dollar cost averaging, it's very important to do these sort of things. What'll happen is you don't put all the eggs in one basket, and you'll continue to just accumulate more and more at a cheaper price. And then when it does go off, when we get to indicators down below at the relative strength index chart, even on the hourly, once it starts falling, it could pop from here, or it could come down a little more. So you got to figure out, what is my risk taking? What's my max pain, right? People want to know that question very often. My max pain is how much is going to come down. What is this going to cost me? What is my risk? How far down am I going to see my assets go until I start seeing a return? So you can see right now, currently on the RSI level, I'm happy. Even though we're up here, and you want to adjust it, you don't want to give it fake stuff here, but there is an obvious bigger upside than there is to the downside. Doesn't mean shit. As far as going up or down, I believe we're going to test the resistance of 751 over and over and over. Try to get her phone number until she finally sees that, maybe she's a gold digger and she sees that we invested into crypto and we have assets, and maybe we have a McLaren outside. I don't know. Maybe we have something nice. Maybe a Bugatti. And then all of a sudden she sees us walking to it and she goes, "Oh, yes, what are you doing tonight?" Right? You ever see them stupid skits? Well, that's what it is. Well, I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. 600 million market cap currently right now. 600 million volume. The market cap is almost 1 billion. It's still considered a very low market cap. So if you look up there and see that market cap climbing, that means the price is definitely moving on up. So Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. I miss this place so much. I hope you are having a wonderful Friday. It's Friday. A lot of you are waking up this morning going, "Hey," right? Friday. Damn, right? Your portfolio is down. What else is new? Jasmy's continuing to fall. Bitcoin is continuing to fall. It kills me to see everybody get hurt. But you got a dollar cost average, and this handsome man learned from the best traders in the world on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Proof of postage, postmaster return postage guaranteed. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I remember this. I laugh at this because no one will ever get this badge. If you come for it, I lost it. Have a great day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Have a wonderful weekend, by the way.